Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we got a piece of maple on the lathe, and right now we are going to turn it to round. We are eventually going to make a live edge bowl out of it. So right now we are flattening off the bottom, and the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools.
I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try.
Alright, we're going around the sides now to get our bowl shape, and we've switched camera positions, continuing to get the bowl shape.
I've got this picture in my mind. It's just a tool.
Lovely piece of wood this was, cut absolutely beautifully.
But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody.
It is definitely a shame when you're getting beautiful cuts off of it. You got to know when to stop. You don't want to end up getting a toothpick from a bowl blank. You know what I mean?
She will never know, never know, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go.
There we go, now we switch to the mid-size rougher to flatten off the bottom. There we go, we're getting ready to do the mortise, that's why we're flattening it off. There we go, wiping the tool rest. Alright, and there we go. Very nice. Alright, so first of all we're going to get rid of that little nubbin in the middle, and we're going to use the mid-size #1 hollower, or the CI5 for that. So all tools, the chuck and even the lathe will be listed down in the description if anybody is interested in them. There we go, that's the nubbin removed. Alright, we're going to use the Easy Wood Tools chuck template and a pencil, and we're going to mark out the size of the mortise. And there you go. And now we are going to make said mortise. So first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. Just define where it's going to go. Going to clean it out using the #1 hollower. Flatten everything off using the mid-size rougher. There you go, just give the foot a bit of an undercut and clean out the inside just to match the angles of the jaws of the chuck. And there you go. Give it a quick spin. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit with cling spore abrasives. And there you go. Alright, we've got it flipped round in the chuck now. You see I've already started but forgot to turn the camera on. So now we're going to pick it up. So we're going to use the number 1 hollower to start off with. We're going to go fairly thin on this one. So we're going to give a little quick tip here. You see that I leave quite a big mass in the middle for as long as possible. You do that just to keep the stability of the blank there. Lovely tool. This is by far my favourite tool of the Easy Wood Tools range. I think many people can say that. There we go. Now we're going to start removing that big old mass in the middle.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the day.
And we're going to go all the way down to our depth now. And luckily with this one we don't go all the way through the bottom. That would have been a big old shame, because this turned out lovely, this bowl.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
And yeah, we're going to do a bit of cleaning up with the number 1 finisher.
I just miss you. We were so
I say the number 1 finisher, it is just the finisher, the mid-size one.
made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on
And you got a few more cuts with the number 1 hollower.
what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too.
And there you go.
Raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like
Move the tool rest out of the way.
but it's too late now. I just miss you.
There you go. Check the walls with the old finger calipers.
I just miss you. Oh, miss you.
There you go.
Miss you.
Once again, sand to 240 grit with cling spore abrasives.
And I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
There you go.
I just miss you. Miss you.
There's a little bit more around the rim.
Miss you.
Alright, So now we are going to finish it off by brushing on some lemon oil. Nice citrusy lemon oil. Gonna start off with the inside first of all. Get that nice and coated. I do put a couple of coats on, but I only show the one.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all.
And now we're going to do the outside.
Cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've
Exactly the same as the inside. I only show you putting the one coat on, but I do actually put a couple of coats on.
this time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Like you did last night. Like you did last night.
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.